Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. This is another CapCut video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to remove background noise or how to use the reduce noise feature on CapCut, which is free. Really good. So the first thing that we need to do is find the video that we want to reduce the noise of. So I'm gonna be finding a video that has really loud noise in the background. Like for example, let's find it. Okay, this one. This is me trying to speak in Indonesian, which is something I've been learning. And there's a sound in the background of the fan, and I don't like that. It's too loud. Well, that's where the reduce noise feature comes in. What we need to do is just head over here, scroll to the right, and you'll find the reduce noise option. And now you'll hear big difference. And just to show you the difference, I'm gonna be splitting this videos in half, and do not put the reduced noise in the first half, just to show the transition between no reduced noise.
Sekarang saya akan bernyanyi tanah airku. Sekarang saya akan bernyanyi tanah airku.
Reduce noise, and as you can see, as you can hear, there is a huge difference in how it sounds. That is how you can remove background noise on CapCut, or how you can use the reduce noise feature on CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.